I came into this house to give voice to the voiceless. Is that the issue here? Is that the real intimidation here? Are our voices too loud for this house? Is that the reason why we are being silenced? Are our voices shaking the core foundation of this house? The house we had no voice in building. Our voices sent shockwaves of emotion to every nation throughout the world. Is this why we are being punished? But after being in this house for 1.5 years, we have had no option but to voice the 100,000 who walked to Parliament, the 300,000 signatures, the 90,000 against the Treaty Principles Bill and the submissions. The ruling I was given that day encapsulated everything I did by inserting the words behaviour and actions. Which brings me to question, why am I even here? Why am I being punished twice 8 months later? Yet a member can swear at another member. A member of cabinet can lay their hands on a staff member. A member can drive up the steps of Parliament. A member can swear in Parliament. Yet they weren't even given 5 minutes of suspension.